Hello for Japan, this is RNN. We receive reports that many travelers visiting Japan are getting confused at ticket machines. But don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Using simple slides, we highlight key points you need to know to purchase your ticket with confidence. We hope this helps make the trip to Japan easier. Now, let's take a look together with Rotka. Today, we are at Akihabara Station. In this video, we'll focus on ticket machine located outside the ticket gates. Ticket machine inside the gates are not covered in this video. This is the screen. First, we'll switch the language to English. There are two important options on this screen. If you did not book online in advance, select Purchase Ticket. If you already have a reservation, please choose this option. For this video, we'll continue assuming you do not have a reservation. After selecting Purchase Ticket, you'll see this screen. There are two main options of focus on here. The first is Route Search, and the second is Shinkansen. In this video, we'll introduce the Shinkansen option later. First, let's take a look at Route Search. After selecting Route Search, this screen will appear. Let's start by entering the information in the highlight area. If the departure station is different from the what's shown, press Change to update it. For this video, we'll continue with Tokyo Station as our departure point. Next, select your arrival station. For this example, we've selected Shin Osaka as our destination. Next, we'll set the date, time, and number of passengers. Here, you can search by either departure time or arrival time. Please choose the option that best fits your needs. You can select the number of passengers on this screen. If your group is not listed, press the button on the bottom right. You can purchase tickets for up to 7 people, including both adults and children. Finally, let's take a look at the option at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can choose whether to use the Shinkansen, whether to show a return route, and walking speed. If you have a lot of luggage or feel unsure about transfer times, we recommend selecting average or slow. Most users will only need to enter the information within this section. Once your conditions are set, press the search button. Next, select your preferred train combination. Results are shown in order of shortest travel time. You can check details such as travel time, ordinary car, green car, and non-received seat. If seats are available, a circle will be displayed. If everything looks good, press Select to continue. Please select the option highlighted in red. The reason is that to ride the Shinkansen, you need both a basic fare ticket and a Shinkansen ticket. Without this, you cannot board the train. Next, choose either ordinary car or green car. And proceed to the oversized baggage information screen. If you'd like to read the next slide, please pause the video. From here, we'll go over how to select your seat. In most cases, you can simply choose one of the two options highlighted in red. If you're visiting Japan for business, we'll also recommend it as work seat. Next, let's go over the seat with oversized baggage area, and this requires a bit more explanation. Seats marked with this symbol are reserved for a passenger who have booked them. This passenger can place their oversized baggage in design space. While general luggage storage area no longer require reservation, they are not suitable for oversized baggage. To avoid any issues, we recommended making a reservation in advance. Also, seats with oversized baggage are limited. They are only available in the last row of each car and the back of the train. Next, we'll explain how to purchase round-trip tickets. Two options are shown on this screen. If you are purchasing a one-way ticket, select Purchase Outbound Ticket only. If you want to buy round-trip ticket, select Purchase Return Ticket also. For the return trip, select the date and either the departure or arrival time. Then, choose your preferred Shinkansen and seat. Finally, review your outbound and return details. Then, proceed with payment to complete your ticket purchase. From here, let's take a look at how to use the Shinkansen option. Unlike route search, you'll immediately choose between a reserved seat and non-reserved seat. In Japan, there are many Shinkansen lines and the line names vary depending on your destination. For this reason, it's important to know which Shinkansen line you need to take in advance. First, select the Shinkansen line that serves your destination. Then, choose your departure station. After selecting your departure station, you'll need to choose your destination from this screen. After selecting the date, choose either the departure or arrival time. Then, select the number of passengers. From here, the process is basically the same as what we covered in route search. Now, let's go through the process together. Here, we'll explain some points that may be confusing. This screen shows the range of your basic fare ticket. On the left, you can choose to include local train section as well. This is a simplified illustration of the Tokyo World area. If your trip starts within this area, local general travel may be included in your basic fare ticket. So, this option can be useful depending on your journey. In this case, the basic fare ticket and the Shinkansen ticket cover different sections, so you will receive two tickets. On the right, you can choose to match a basic fare ticket with the same section at the Shinkansen. If the sections are the same, they may be combined into a single ticket. Finally, let's take a look at the best seat to view Mount Fuji. If you like to see Mount Fuji, seat E is usually the best choice. When traveling between Tokyo and Osaka, choosing seat E on either direction will give you a chance to see Mount Fuji from the window. Thank you for watching until the end. Roka wishes you a great trip. See you in the next video.